In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a page in Wondershare PDFelement. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the top right over here, and you want to click on this button, which opens up thumbnails. Now, here you'll be able to see all your different pages inside your PDF, and if you want to add a new one, you could click up here in the top left where you can see those options. Click on here, and then it's going to say Insert Pages. Now, when you hover over that, you have a few options. You could either insert a blank page, you could insert from different files you have on your computer, you could do it from scanner, from clipboard, or from HTML. So the easiest way, and the one you're likely going to be using, is the blank page over here. So you can just click on over here. You can select where you want to place it at. So I could do last page over here. I could select it to actually become page 1 instead of the first one here right now. Or, of course, I could go last page and first page over here. So I'm just going to create last page over here. And then the location is going to be insert after the page. And then the copies, so I want 2 pages. I'm going to type 2 over here. Press OK. And as you can see, it actually added 2 pages at the very end of my document. So that's how to add pages. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.